Can you tell me your name and where you're from?
Sure. Riley Manion. I'm from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Okay. And where did you volunteer?
Volunteered at a clinic in Xela, Guatemala. Split between working in the lab where I learned how to draw blood, and we ran tests on the blood for numerous STDs and also for pregnancy. And we also worked, my friend and I also worked in the family planning clinic where we counseled sort of women on their birth control options. So pills and injections, and it involved a lot of patient interaction and really figuring out what would work best for each individual woman.
And what was the general experience like?
The experience at the clinic was great. All the people there were very nice. The nurses in the family planning clinic are very funny, and they made my friend and I have snack with them every morning. And the lab tech and the nurse in the lab were very nice too. They didn't speak any English, so it was a bit of a challenge at first, but by the last day we were having really good conversations with them.
Good. And what was your accommodation like?
Our host family was a grandmom and her daughter and granddaughter, and they have 2 dogs, and we had our own room, and we had 3 great meals a day. Our host mom is a wonderful cook, and the granddaughter is almost 3 years old, so we played with her a lot, and she was very cute. She taught us some Spanish too, so can easily talk with a 3-year-old now.
Okay. And you took Spanish classes too? How was that going?
We did. We had Spanish lessons for 4 hours with private teachers every afternoon. The lessons got a little long. It felt a little long some days, but they definitely really helped us a lot. And the first week it was a lot of grammar and just normal conversations, and also helping practice different scenarios that we would have to talk through the women in the clinic with. And then the second week, we've mostly been talking about like current events and just having real conversations, which has been really good.
And how was the support and the coordination from a broader view in the United States and also the coordinators here on location?
Both were great. Support in the United States involved sort of a lot for us because our location changed 2 times before we came, so it was a lot of shuffling, and they really helped us figure out what we needed and where we were going really well. And our coordinator here was great. She was extremely available the whole time and helped us plan some weekend trips and helped us with our travel arrangements, and it was really very helpful.
And do you have a favorite memory of the trip?
My favorite memory is probably just a lot of the different conversations that we've had with people. A lot of people in Guatemala have a very, very great, funny sense of humor, and we've heard a lot of funny stories. Our Spanish teacher likes to tell jokes, and in the beginning it was a little hard understanding it and just the humor of it, and now I definitely get it, and it's very funny every day.
And would you recommend this program to future volunteers, and
Definitely.
would you have a tip for them too?
My tip would probably be to make sure to review your Spanish before you come. Even if you had Spanish in school, you probably didn't have the conversation Spanish that you're going to wish you had practiced before coming here.
All right. Any other thing that you would like to add?
No.
All right. Well, thank you very much, and have a good trip.